Okay, I've come down from Hurricane Pass and now I'm standing on the terminal slash lateral moraine here of the Schoolroom Glacier. So there you can see the breach where the outlet stream has breached the moraine. Now it impounds this beautiful little lake. And if we come more to the right, we see the beginnings of the snowfield, and then higher up some permanent ice, the remnants of Schoolroom Glacier. And you can even see some openings there, like a little crevasse that's formed in the glacier, in the remnants of the glacier. So I'm standing right on top of that moraine crest right here. This is what this looks like, quite cool. It's this very sort of knife-edged ridge that extends down. And what's particularly scenic here is if you go up, what you have is the Grand Teton and the Middle Teton. So the scenery is just spectacular. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to hike down this moraine while shooting video. Now that's not that easy because it's pretty rocky here, but let's see if it works. Alright, so I have to look on the ground because there's lots of rocks and stuff that I could trip over. This is of course glacial till, and so I can't really look through the look and see what I'm shooting here, but hopefully it'll come out fun. Pretty jiggly at times, I bet. That's because of the way this goes here, the trail. And at times this moraine is almost like a knife edge, where you really have to kind of be careful that you're not falling off on one side or the other side. But it is not that bad. I've certainly been on moraine ridges that were steeper and narrow. Ooh, no, I did almost fall. So we'll take a little stop here, I think. I will just continue on. Well, here's another. I've stopped. Get you a little bit of a better view. Let's go on. Some vegetation growing. Have to step around. We're making our way down to the breach. Where the moraine, that of course was continuous initially, was breached. So presumably what happened was the moraine was continuous. It dammed up a lake, and that lake got bigger and higher and taller. And at some point, probably, it just the pressure became too great. The moraine dam, which of course is just loose sediment, failed, and the lake drained. And what's left now is just a little puddle, if you will. So we're getting closer. Closer to the end, closer to the breach. Let's take a quick stop here and pan back. Here's the lake, the pond if you will, and then Schoolroom Glacier here, going up towards Hurricane Pass. And I've just turned around here to show you the moraine that I've just walked down. Right? So I've just come down this, and here you can see my feet and my water bottles. And now let's just finish this up. Alright, we're approaching the breach, and it'll be interesting to see what it looks like right where the outlet is now for this little lake. There's a stream that's leaving the lake, so here we are. So here's the other side. Now we're going down. That's the little stream here, and let's go back into the lake, or into the pond, across, and up to Schoolroom Glacier. There we are. And then let's go a little bit more. That's that moraine I just walked down. So let's come back and follow that moraine ridge coming towards me here. And then there's the breach. And as we go down, you can see a person now at the bottom who just hiked up. And now we can follow that little stream. And that little stream flows out across this sort of big flat area. And remember, right above all of this is, ta-da, the Grand Teton on the left and the Middle Teton on the right. And then this little stream continues and goes into Cascade Canyon. And Cascade Canyon, of course, goes into Jenny Lake. So that is the Schoolroom Glacier.